Namaste. My name is Sujeet Jha. I am associated with GIBS Finishing School as a trainer. I am into the field of corporate training and academic training for last 2 decades plus, and have conducted training programs on various skill sets like communication, presentation, leadership, decision making, problem solving, and various other skill sets which leads to a person's success. This I have done for a lot of corporates and academics. Now at GIBS Finishing School, my responsibility is to train and get the students ready from the day they come to the day they get into the corporates. Now how this journey takes place? Now at GIBS Finishing School, we take you through the intensive and exhaustive training of 400 hours plus, so that you get ready for the employment, entrepreneurship and life. Employment, entrepreneurship and life. And how do we do that? Let me take you through the journey very quickly. This program of finishing school is split in trimester 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 400 hours. Now trimester 1, when you are coming new, okay, you may not be very confident, you may not be very comfortable. So we focus on 3 areas. Number 1, we want you to develop an awesome attitude of Sachin Tendulkar, Muhammad Ali or Dr. Kalam, of giving your best, of contributing your best and believing in yourself. Once you have done that, thereafter we take you for superb grooming. We want you to be superbly professionally groomed, and expert image consultants, okay, they come and train you in these areas to get you ready. And after that, we build your confidence through different activities, challenges, dancing, singing, presentation, communication, introduction. So by trimester 1.2, you are ready with these 3 things. You have an awesome attitude, you are superbly groomed, and you are rock solid confidence. Once this basic is set, we take you to trimester 2, in which our only focus is excellent communication. We train you on communicating effectively, communicating fluently. You should be able to share your ideas, thoughts, opinions, analysis in an effective and persuasive manner. And you don't have problem of English language or communication in this trimester. So by this trimester 2, you have done all this. And then we take you to trimester 3, in which we start switching you towards corporate by training on email, general etiquettes, corporate etiquettes, email etiquettes, LinkedIn, thereafter group discussion, personal interview. So we give you all these areas and get you ready in this. Trimester 3 gets you ready with getting into corporate. Now trimester 4 is the culmination, is the pinnacle, is the highest peak. In that, what we do, we feel you are ready with the corporates, you are ready for the corporates, but we are not sure about it. So now in trimester 4, we invite the corporate experts and they interview you. Corporate experts interview you, they give you feedback. These are good areas, these are the areas you are supposed to improve. And they give you feedback, and thereafter they leave. And they come again after 1 week or 15 days, and again they interview and check whether you made any breakthroughs, any progress, any development. Again they give you feedback, again they go, and this interviewing happens continuously in this entire trimester. So you keep on giving feedback, getting feedback from the corporate experts and GIBS Finishing School trainers for this entire trimester. And by the time this trimester culminates, you are superbly ready for the corporate world. You are a solid candidate who has got exceptional, awesome attitude to perform. You are there to give your best. You are excellent in communication. You know your knowledge is really excellent. And then apart from all this, you know the nuances of corporate life. And this way you prepare you for employability, entrepreneurship and life. And GIBS Finishing School stands for bridging the gap between your aspiration and preparation. I wish you all good luck, and my prayer is there that whatever your dreams or goals are, be committed to achieve them. May God bless you.